Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all are doing great. So today in our hand, Colgate dental cream. You can see here anti-cavity toothpaste, strong teeth, strong you calcium boost, and it's made in India. Net weight 200 grams, save water and 100% vegetarian. So cost Indian rupees cost is 110. So here you can see people directions for use. Brush thoroughly at least twice a day or as directed by a dentist or physician. Let's see how the pack inside. So this is our Indian product, must have to use Colgate, 100% safe to use. Thank you for watching. Bye.